Hello viewers, today I send you top 5 longest railway platforms in the world. Rank 5 Auto Club Speedway Station, Fontana, California. 815 meters longest. It is also used to open wheel racing event. This station International Speedway Corporation maintains. Rank number 4 State Street Subway, situated in Chicago, longest 1067 meter. Number of station 9. Station character subway. Chicago Transit Authority is the operator of this station. It is the longest railway platform in both North America and the Western Hemisphere. Next, rank number 3. Stat, West Bengal, situated in Kharagpur. It is also in our India. 1072.5 meter longest. It is the world third longest railway platform. It has Asia's largest railway SSI system. Number of platforms is 12 and number of tracks 24. Station code KGP. Southeastern Railway Zone operate. Number 2. Kollam Junction, Kerala. It is also in our India. 1180.5 meter longest. It is the second longest platform in the world. Southeastern Railway Zone operate this. Station code is QLN. Number of platforms 6. Number of railway tracks 17. Now rank number 1. Gorakhpur Railway Station. It is situated in Uttar Pradesh. It is also our India. It is the longest platform in the world. 1366.33 meter longest. Number of platforms 10. Number of tracks 26. Northeastern Railway Zone operate this. Station code is GKP. Please follow my tutorial. Thanks to all. See you again.